Hello Year 3 and welcome to Lesson 4 of Maths this week. It's our third one on money and today we're looking at pounds and pence, which we've looked at over the last couple of days. So we're going to be understanding the pounds and the pence symbols here. There's my cursor, there. And our learning objectives will be to understand the value of each coin and note and what they represent, and to understand that money can be represented in different ways with the same value. So what I'd like you to do now is pause this video and put the date at the top of your page or the next available space, underline it, and then write the learning objective, which is LO, and then to understand the value of each coin and note and what they represent. Okay, so once you've done that, underline both of them with your ruler and then unpause the video and we'll have a look at the daily starter. And we'll look at that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, here are our 4 questions for the daily starter. So pause the video now, have a go at these 4, and then once you're ready to check your answers, unpause, and then we'll see how many you got right. Okay, and we'll look at the answers to those in 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you got all of those right, fantastic work, well done. If you got 1 or 2 or 3, well done. Or well done just for having a go. It's just to get our maths brain started. Okay, let's look at what we're doing. Let's work together on some fluency then. So I will have to tell you what these coins are because the pictures are a little bit blurry, aren't they? So A, it says we need to match the notes and coins to the correct amount. So this time we're going to use notes and coins together. They'll be mixed, not just the same coins adding and counting on, but mixed different amounts. Okay, so A, it looks like we've got £5, we've got 50p, and we've got 1 pence. So £5, 50 pence, and 1 pence. Okay, if we add those together, that's going to give us £5 and 51 pence. So what does that match to? It matches down here, so we'd have to do our arrow like that, wouldn't we? Or in our book, we could just write £5 and 51 pence and then draw out the note and the coins that we would have. Yeah? With the numbers inside the coins and the note. Okay, if you're drawing a note, don't worry about all the detail. Just do a rectangle and then put 5 inside it. And then if you're doing a coin, just do a round coin and then put 50, and then obviously a smaller coin, put 1. Yeah? And for B, that must mean that it matches with this one. So we've got £1 coin here, a £1 coin here, and a 5p coin. So that's £1, £2, £2 and 5p, or 5 pence. So then we would write down that amount in our book and then draw out the coins. Easy, eh? We can do that. Let's look at the work we're going to do today. Oh, there you go. I've matched it up as well with arrows. I forgot I did that. Okay, let's have a look at our 4 questions for the green chilies. So if you want to try these ones and match them up, then pause the video now and unpause once you're ready to check your answers. 3, 2, 1, now. If you want to try the yellow chili questions, then pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to check your answers. 3, 2, 1, now. And if you want to try the red chili questions, then pause the video now and then unpause when you're ready to check your answers. And we'll check all of the answers in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, have a look at these answers compared to what you've got in your book. Obviously, feel free to pause, rewind the video to where your questions were just to remind yourself and just check if you've got something similar or the same as those. Okay, well done everybody. Let's move on to some reasoning. And we're going to work together on this one. So let's read it. It says, Luke and Amber are finding the total of the coins below. Luke says, I think the total is £2 and 3p. And Amber says, I think the total is £2 and 11p. which one of them is correct, and can we explain why? I'll give you a moment. Okay, what I would say is, I think, let's have a count up of the coins first. We have a £2 coin, we have a 2p, we have a 1p. So we've got £2, and then what's 2 add 1? 3p. So we've got £2 and 3p. Who said that? Luke said that. So I think Luke is correct, because we have a £2, 2p coin and a 1p coin, which makes £2 and 3p. And Amber might be a little bit mixed up with the coins and what they're worth. So let's see what I would write. Luke is correct, because 2p add 1p add £2 equals £2 and 3p. There we are. Let's see what you have to do. So there is one question for the reasoning. If you want to try the green chili question, then pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to check. Okay? 3, 2, 1. If you want to try these two reasoning questions for the yellow chili, then pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. And if you want to try the red chili reasoning questions, pause the video now and then unpause when you're ready to check those answers. And of course, we will move on to the answers in 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Okay, check those answers against yours. Hopefully you have the same in some way. Even if it's not written out, presented the same way in your book, that will be fine, as long as you understand and you can do the answers. Great. Make any changes you need to. Okay, let's move on to the problem solving next. In 3, 2, 1. Let's try it together. So it says, look at the menu below. We've got crisps and we've got chocolate. Lovely stuff. It says, Susan uses 2 coins to buy some crisps. Elliot uses 3 coins to buy some chocolate. Find 3 possible combinations of coins that Susan and Elliot could use. So it sounds like we're going to have more than one answer here, doesn't it? And that's true, because it says that we have various answers. Susan, if she only uses 2 coins to buy some crisps, she could use a £1 coin and a 5p coin. She could even use a 1p coin and a 50p coin if they're expensive crisps, or 1p coin and a 10p coin. But as long as we write it down in our menu in the right way with the right coins, then we've got it there. Okay? Elliot could use 1 50p coin, 1 5p coin and 1 2p coin. And if you add that together, that will give him 57p. So just have a play with those, because I think we're going to get a chance to in the next set of questions. Let's look at what the green chili questions are. Okay, so you have to find 3 possible combinations of coins, just like the example. So pause the video now if you want to try the green chili question, finding 3 possible combinations. Unpause when you're ready. We'll move on in 3, 2, 1. If you want to try the yellow chili question for problem solving, pause the video now, then unpause when you're ready. And finally, 3, 2, 1. Here is the red problem solving, the red chili problem solving question. You've got to find 5 possible combinations for that one. So if you try that one, good luck. I know you can do it. Okay, right. Unpause the video when you're ready to check the answers, because we will be moving on with the answers in 3, 2, 1. Yes, as we said, various answers. Look at the amount of answers we could have. I'm sure that you've got a lot of good answers too, even if they're not in the answers there. Just make sure that it comes to the right answer when you're problem solving as well, okay? There's more than one way of doing things. Okay, what have we learned today? Well, I've got a little task, so make sure that we know what we've learned today. We've been looking at the different pounds and pence together. So what I would like you to do are match the amounts that are equal. So we've got the words up here, £15, 15 pence, £50, 50 pence. So I would like you to match those with those. That's something obviously you're not going to write in your book, but have a look on the screen. And then finally, what I would like you to write in your book is how much money does the jar contain. So we've got different notes and coins in here, and I would like you to write down the sentence, the jar contains pounds and pence. Right, brilliant work again. Fantastic again, Year 3. Well done for all of your efforts today. Tomorrow we're going to have more money. So well done, and tune in tomorrow again for some more maths with me.